Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use dictation on your Mac. So for example, you want to write some text and dictate it. So what you need to do, you gotta go to System Preferences or System Settings on your Mac. After that, you're gonna go to Keyboard right here at the bottom. And you're gonna scroll down until you see dictation. So as you can see, I already turned it off. Turn it on. So basically you will see this unchecked. You're gonna click enable, and yeah, that's basically it. Also, you can create a shortcut. So if you have a microphone on your keyboard, so you can click on that. If you don't, maybe you're using some other keyboard than Mac's, so you can customize it however you like. So that's basically it. That's how you use dictation. That's how you turn it on. So for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna press right command key twice because I'm using a separate keyboard than my MacBooks. And after you change it, you change it to your shortcut, press right command key twice. Now click twice on your command, and as you can see, this is working, and this is dictating what I'm saying. So yeah guys, that's basically it, how you turn on your dictation on your Mac and how you use it. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.